The Americans with Disabilities Act, also known as the ADA, has rules on medical exams and disability-related inquiries for job applicants and employees. This video will provide you with information to help you comply with these rules.
When someone applies for a job, the ADA prohibits asking disability-related questions and requiring medical examinations before a conditional offer of employment. This includes questions directly asking about disability, as well as questions that could reveal a disability. Allowable questions are limited to those relating to an applicant's ability to perform the job.
Examples of prohibited pre-employment questions include: do you have a disability? Have you ever filed for workers' compensation? What prescription drugs are you taking? How many sick days did you take last year? Examples of allowable pre-employment questions include: can you do the job with or without a reasonable accommodation? Please describe how you would perform the job. Can you meet the job's attendance requirements?
You can require prospective employees to undergo a drug test prior to a conditional offer, as drug tests are not considered a medical exam under the ADA.
After making a conditional job offer, but before a person starts work, you can ask disability-related questions and require medical exams. However, you cannot refuse to hire a person with a disability based on information from those questions and exams, unless the reason for the rejection is related to the job. All applicants at that employment level must go through the same exam and answer the same questions, regardless of whether they have a disability.
Once a person is employed, you can only ask disability-related questions and require medical examinations if they are job-related and consistent with business necessities. You can ask about the employee's ability to perform job-related functions and may conduct voluntary medical examinations, which are part of an employee wellness program.
Remember, all disability-related information obtained from disability inquiries and examinations at any stage of employment must be treated as a confidential medical record and kept separate from personnel files. Finally, it is recommended that staff who conduct hiring and who supervise employees receive training on the ADA's requirements for disability-related inquiries and medical examinations.